So I'm going grouse hunting up in northern Minnesota. Can we dream up some sort of load that we can make for that?
Of course.
Is a frog's ass watertight?
Right.
Is actually my first ever woodcock. Whoop. Right there, woodcock. Good job. Oh my God, he's got his nose on the...
There goes.
What?
Got him.
Did I? I literally shot, I couldn't see. I say it all the time, but even a blind squirrel finds a nut once in a while. That's a blind squirrel finding a nut. The last grouse I shot was with you as well. You're like my grouse godfather.
Yeah, right.